Hello, world of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, Milk Minutes. It's your B Mitchie like Letcha here with another episode of Toys and Things. And today's video is going to focus on a dolly hair salon day. I took Courtney to the doll hair salon at an American Girl store, and this is her getting her hair and nails done. I did add on the extra service for the nails, which is $5. So, you know, not bad. And the hair was $15. So $20 in total for her little spa day. So here we have Sarah working on Courtney's hair, and she's pulling out her earrings that I had in there because they were kind of dangly and in the way. Sarah is doing a great job so far and did a great job throughout the whole process. So thank you to Sarah from American Girl and the Tyson's Corner Shopping Center. So here we are. I'm doing my first voiceover, so for my video, for any of my videos yet. So yay! I was talking to you guys while she was doing this, and it was just too noisy in the background. Oh, that thumb you see is the person who is recording my video, because that person has a much more steady hand than I do. So he is recording this video for us to watch. Now, Sarah is giving Courtney her original, or what do you want to call it, staple hairstyle. I'm not getting anything fancy. I just want the regular hairstyle back on her, because if you watched her unboxing video, her hair didn't come out of the hairnet at the best. It was already pretty frizzy, especially on one side. So I wanted to have her hair totally redone, as nice as I see it look in the displays at the store. So that is what Sarah is doing. Sarah is also telling me how to do her hair if I ever need to do it on my own. And she is using a wire brush, a wire wig brush, a brush that should never be used for human hair, because you don't want human hair and doll hair to mix because of the oil in the hair. And she is also having to wet it, because you are to wet it, the hair, or dampen it before brushing it. You do not want to just go on in to dry hair and start working it. The hair needs to be damp. It does not need to be soaking wet, but it needs to be damp. And of course, always watch out for the eyes, because of the metal in the eyes, if it gets wet, can cause rust. So that is what me and Sarah are talking about here. So she's about to go in piece by piece and curl by hand. Yep, and there she goes. She's dampening the hair again, and she's about to give it its first curl. She's going to show me how to do a curl through the wire brush, not using finger curls, using the brush to make the curl. And she's going to go in section by section to do the curl. So we can just, there we go. Now you see how she's doing this technique, which I have seen this technique done to dolls while watching other YouTube videos. I have not still tried this technique, but she's showing me how she wets the hair a little bit and then takes the wire brush and twirls it. She said she doesn't use the finger technique. She likes this technique better. So it really is up to you whether you want to use your finger or use the wire brush technique. And of course, we're always obeying the social distancing. She's protected with her glass, and then there was rope. It's kind of roped off, so I actually couldn't get super close to her. I was, kind of blocked off there. But yeah, the recording came out pretty great regardless. So me and Sarah just chit-chatting. It was a very, very, very bad weather day. This day that I traveled, I honestly should have just probably stayed home. It was so bad. We drove in a very, very bad ice storm. But I did not want to cancel my appointment, and it was the 3 times rewards points that weekend. So I really wanted to make some big purchases and get Courtney's hair done and all that fun stuff this Valentine's Day weekend. So yay. So what I think we're gonna do here, guys, is we're gonna do my first little fast forward, and there we go. Okay, everyone, I think we are done with the speedy process. I hope you enjoyed the music that was in the background there. So here Courtney is. She is getting finished up. Sarah's finishing up finishing her up right now and doing her last bit of curls that are in her little side ponytail area. So after that, I believe she'll be all finished up. She did get a second coat of fingernail polish on her hands because they do put 2 coats. It's suggested you put the 1 coat of fingernail polish and then you wait 5 minutes and then you put the second coat of fingernail polish. So I did want to mention that. So there she is. She is basically getting ready, and she's actually letting me know that if the curls mess up, I don't have to do the whole hair. I can only do the top curls that will mostly get messed up. Instead of going through and doing her whole hair all over again, I could just fix the top layer or the second layer of curls. And there she is. She's making sure that her hair and nails are good. She's putting back in her earrings, which her earrings that she is wearing are actually these little cute cassette tapes that I got off Etsy that were made for Courtney, that were made for a Courtney doll or any American Girl doll, whatever. But yeah, so there you can see a closer look of her earrings right there. So there I am. I'm super, super excited to pick her up and have her. So yay, there she is. Looking good. Yay, all right. Bye, guys.